everyone, and welcome to Mathlandia series. Our topic for today is all about problem solving using Venn diagram, prepared by yours truly, Orencio A. Bongalon, Teacher 3. The objectives: solve word problems involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. Number 2, apply the steps on how to solve problems and perform the operations to solve variety of word problems. Let's study how to solve problems involving set. And here are the steps in solving problems. Step 1. Determine what is given and what are being asked. Step 2. Illustrate using the Venn diagram. Step 3. Determine what operations to be used. Step 4. Use the operations. Step 5. Answer the questions being asked. Examples. Number 1. Let A and B be the finite set such that cardinality A is equal to 12, cardinality B is equal to 23, and A union B is equal to 27. Find cardinality A intersection B. The given: cardinality A is equal to 12. Cardinality B is equal to 23. Cardinality A union B is equal to 27. And asked, cardinality of A intersection B is equal to what? Ano ang tamang sagot? Using the Venn diagram, universal set, we have these three circles. At the middle, we have cardinality A union B kasi ito yung ating intersection set. Cardinality A intersection B. So this is our intersection. And this is our set A, yung kulay blue. And our set B, yung kulay red. So what do you think is our intersection set? Suppose we have this solution. Cardinality A intersection B is equal to A, or cardinality A plus cardinality B minus cardinality A union B. Again, we have to substitute. Cardinality A intersection B equals our cardinality A, this one. Yan, highlight natin. And this is our cardinality A. Cardinality B. And union AB, this one. So, our cardinality A intersection B is equal to 12. Bakit 12? We have to substitute the cardinality A by 12 plus cardinality B substitute by 23 minus cardinality A union B is equal to 27. So, the answer is cardinality A intersection B is equal to 12 plus 23 is 35. Minus 27, the answer is 8. The cardinality A intersection B is 8. So, again, this is our universal set. So, our middle is cardinality A intersection B. So, ito yung sagot natin kanina. So, therefore, kung ito yung sagot natin, yan, itong 8, ang ilalagay natin ay sa gitna ay 8. So, that is our intersection. So, I guess nakuha na natin. And then, sample number Yan. Sample number 2. A group of 32 grade 7 students. Erase muna natin to. Yan. Erase, 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 and erase. Yan. So, suppose we have number 2 example. A group of 32 grade 7 students were asked whether they use either Facebook or Twitter or both. 18 of these students use FB and 20 use Twitter. So let's have the question letter A. How many students use FB only? Ilan daw ang gumamit ng FB? Next. Letter B. How many students use Twitter only? How many students use both social networking sites? So let's now write the given. 32 is equal to the number of students since our given is 32 grade 7 students. So, yan yun. Next, 18 is equal to the use of Facebook since 18 ang gumamit ng FB or Facebook. And 20 is equal to the use of student use Twitter. Ayan. 20 naman ang gumagamit ng Twitter. Using the Venn diagram, universal set, we have two circles. So these are Twitter and FB. Itong middle na to is our intersection. Denote this as B, means both FB and Twitter. So the solution, B is equal to the FB plus Twitter is equal to 32. Remember, our FB is 18, our Twitter is 20, our population is 32. So we have B is equal to 18 plus 20 is minus 32. 18 plus 20 is 38. Minus 32. So 38 minus 32, we have 6. So our B here is the intersection. So we write 6 here. Ayan. Since nakuha na natin ang intersection ng FB at Twitter. Anong susunod? Next is, yan. So the same as our previous discussion. So we have this 6. Now let's have the solution for FB. FB is equal to 18 minus 6. Saan mo nakuha ang 18? Dito yan. Sa given. Ayan. Minus 6 yung kanina, the intersection. So 18 minus 6 is 12. So this FB is equal to 12. Ilalagay natin sa FB only. Kasi yun ang nagsasabing gumagamit sila ng FB. Next. For the Twitter, we have 20 minus 6. 20 because our given 20 use Twitter minus 6 the intersection. So, Twitter use only 14. So, saan natin ilalagay ang 14? Dito. So, now, we only have this universal set. FB 12, Twitter 14, and our intersection is 6. Now, let's answer the question. Okay. How many students use FB only? So, using this Venn diagram, so FB only, we have 12 students. That's correct. Letter B. How many students use Twitter only? According to our universal, we have 14 here. Tama kaya? Yes, 14 students only. That's correct. And letter C, how many students use both social networking sites? So, obviously, ito ay 6. Tama kaya? Let's try. Correct. 6 students use both social networking sites. So, ito yung kanilang intersection. So, this is an example number 2 using the Venn diagram. Next, Sample number 3. Suppose we have 150 grade 7 students were asked to register in the club. 85 were registered for a math club. 70 were registered for an English club. 50 were registered for both math and English. So, question number 1, how many signed up only for a math club? Number 2, how many signed up only for an English club? Number 3, how many signed up for math or English? And number 4, how many signed up for neither math or English? Let's use the universal set, Venn diagram. Since we have two clubs, math and English, our sets only two circles. So this is math and this is English. So how do we answer this question using the Venn diagram? We start at the bottom. Ito. Again, tingnan natin. We start at the bottom. Yan. So 50 muna tayo. 50, then 70, then 85. So sabi dito, 50 were registered for both math and English. So start tayo dito, di ba? Saan natin ilalagay yan? Since both math and English, ilalagay natin sa gitna, sa intersection nila. Next, tapusan natin yung 50. 70 were registered for an English club. So tingin ka dito sa English club. 70 minus 50 is 20. Tama? Because 50 plus 20 is 70. So again, for English club only, we have 20. Next, nasagot na natin ito. Yung last, yung 85. 85 were registered for a math club. Since we already have 50 here, meron na tayong 50 dito, di ba? 85 minus 50, the answer is 35 because 35 plus 50 equals 85. So, meron na tayong 35, 50, and 20. Remember, our population is 150 grade 7 students. Now, if we add these three numbers, 50 plus 20, 70, plus 35, we have total of 105. Diba? 105 ito. 150 minus 105, the answer is 45. Bakit 45? Kasi 150 minus the total of these three, 105, we get the difference of 45. Meaning, ito ang natitira na hindi nag-register sa math at English. Now, since we have this already, the Venn diagram, let's answer these 4 questions. Number 1. Number 2, how many sign up only for a math club? Number 2, how many sign up only for English club? Number 3, how many sign up for math or English? Number 4, how many sign up for math, neither math or English? Let's take number 1, math club only. Pag sinabing only, hindi mo pwedeng isama yung sa English. So, 35 ang nakikita natin. Is that correct? Yes. 35 students who signed up only in math club. What about this number 2? How many signed up only for an English club? So, hindi natin pwedeng isama ang math. English only. So, I guess 20 is the answer. Yes, correct. 20 students who signed up only for English club. Number 3, how many signed up for math or English? Math or English daw. Is it 50? Or is it 35 plus 50 plus 20? The answer is 105. Bakit? Kasi ang tanong, ilan daw ang nag-sign up sa English at sa math? So, silang lahat yon. 35 plus 50 plus 20 is 105. Now, let's take number 4. how many sign up for neither math or English? O, ibig sabihin, alin dito ang hindi nag-sign up or pwedeng mag-sign up ng math or English? The answer is 45 students. Kasi sila yung pwedeng mag-math or mag-English. Okay? So I guess it's very clear how to solve the problem. Remember, you always start at the bottom, papataas, para mas madali mo siyang maiplot sa Venn diagram. Now, let's take another example, number 4. Sa number 4 natin, 100 college students were interviewed. 28 students took PE, 31 students took biology, 42 students took English, 9 students took PE and biology, 100 students took PE and English, 6 students took biology and English, and 4 students took all 3 subjects. The questions are, how many students took none of 3 subjects? Number 2, how many students took PE but not biology or English? And number 3, how many students took biology and PE but not English? While using this universal set, ilang circle meron dapat? So we have 3 sets because we have PE, English, and biology. Now, to answer this problem, we start at the bottom. Dito tayo magsisimula sa ilalim. Remember this? O, yan. Diba? O, balik natin. O, yan. So, we have from 4 up to 28. So, let's start. 4 students took all 3 subjects. So, lahat daw sila. So, ilalagay natin yan sa gitna. Diba? Kasi lahat kinuha niya yung 3 subject. So, check na natin itong number 4 o yung nasa ilalim. Next is 6 students took biology and English. Itong English, itong biology. Meron na tayong 4. Ilan na lang matitira? 6 minus 4 is 2. That's correct. Kasi nga, 6 ang hinahanap natin. Mayroon na tayong 4. Dagdagan na lang natin ng 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So that's correct. Sagot na natin yung pangalawa. Let's answer number 3, yung pangatlo na. 10 students took PE and English. PE at English. So dito tayo banda. So 10 ito, meron na tayong 4. Anong nawawala? Correct. 6 is the remaining because 6 plus 4 is 10. That's correct. Next is 9 students took PE and biology. So, PE at biology, 9 daw. May 4 na tayo. Ilan yung natitira? That's correct. 5 because 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, next is 42. Students took English. So, ito yung English natin. 40 tong hinahanap. I-add muna natin itong tatlo. 6 plus 4, 10. Plus 2, 12. 42 minus 12, we have 30. Yes, that's correct. 30 ang tamang sagot sa 42. Kasi when you add them, we get the total of 42 sa English lang. Now, kung naintindihan, let's proceed. 31 students took biology. Ito yung biology natin. 31 ang lahat-lahat. So when we add this, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11. 31 minus 11, we have, yes, 20. 20 plus 11 is 31. So that's correct. So nasagot na natin yung 31. And last, 28 students took PE. Ito naman ngayon ang ating focus. So, meron na tayong 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. Since this is 28, 28 minus 15, our answer is correct, 13. When we add this all, we get 28. So 13 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 is 28. Now, if you add this all, 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 13 plus 18, plus 30 plus 20, we get a total of 80. Yes, 80 lahat itong entries natin. Since our population of college students ay 100, 100 minus 80, that is our number who did not took any subject. 20. Yes, 20 ang lahat na hindi kumuha ng kahit anong subject. So, when you add this all, we get 100 students or college students. Now, meron na tayong sagot sa universal. We only need to answer these 3 questions. Paano natin sasagutan? Okay? Number 1. How many students took none of 3 subjects? O ilan daw yung hindi kumuha ng 3 subject na to? Obviously, we have 20. Is that correct? Yes, 20 students did not take any subjects. So let's take number 2. How many students took PE but not biology or English? PE pero hindi English, hindi rin biology. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Is it 13? Let's try. That's correct. 13 students ang kumuha ng PE, hindi biology at hindi rin English. So ito yon, 13. Now, let's answer number 3. How many students took biology and PE but not English? Analyze natin. Kumuha ng biology. Pero, biology at PE daw. Pero, hindi English. So, obviously, ito yon, PE at biology. So, ang kanilang intersection is 5. 5 kaya ang tamang sagot? That's correct. 5 students who took biology and PE only. Hindi siya kasama ang English. So, we already done this example number 4 using the universal set and Venn diagram. So, I hope na naintindihan natin kung paano isosolve ang problem. Remember, if you have like this, dapat magsimula ka sa 4, 6, 10, 9, 42, and so on. Para mabilis mong mailapad sa Venn diagram. Understand? That's right. Okay? Now, let's try this example. Kayo naman. 100 grade 7 students were asked. 28 students took math. 41 students took science. 32 students took English. 19 students took math and science. 10 students took math and English. 9 students took science and English. And 6 students took all 3 subjects. Questions. You have to answer the 3 questions. How many students took none of 3 subjects? Number 2, how many students took math but not science or English? Number 3, how many students took science and math but not English? So, binigay ko na ang universal set. Since we have 3 sets, math, English, and science. All you have to do is supply the answer of this Venn diagram using this given. Ano kaya ang laman ng center neto, 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 ito, at ng ito sa kabuuan? At ano kaya ang sagot sa number 1, number 2, number 3. Now, this will be your activity. Kung masasagutan nyo ito, ay bibigyan ko kayo ng 20 points. All you have to do is copy and answer this in your notebook. Kopyahin nyo ito, kopyahin nyo rin ito, at ito. And then try to answer this. Pag nasagutan na, i-present sa akin para mabigyan ko kayo ng 20 points. This will be your activity. I guess, if you really learn the problem solving, masasagutan mo ang tanong na ito. Okay? So may tanong pa ba? Kung wala na, hihintayin ko ang iyong sagot sa activity na ito. And then, kung tama ang lahat ng sagot, you will receive 20 points. Is that clear? Okay. So kung wala ng tanong, please screenshot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you sa pakikinig. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating problem solving using Venn diagram. See you next round. God bless.